What if your AI could remember specific details about users, like their favorite cuisine, while completely ignoring irrelevant system logs? We'll see exactly how to store selective memories with semantic search capabilities, embedding only the fields that matter while keeping other data retrievable but non-searchable. You'll learn the precise pattern for controlling which information gets indexed for intelligent recall and which stays as simple storage.
Hash store with specific fields to embed. Store put. Namespace for memory. Excluded, UID 4. Food preference. I love Italian cuisine. Context. Discussing dinner plans. Index equals food preference, hash only embed, food preferences field. Hash store without embedding still retrievable, but not searchable. Store put. Namespace for memory. Excluded, UID 4. System info. Last updated, 2020-40101. Index equals false.
This demonstrates the selective embedding pattern for persistent memory storage in AI systems. The concept involves storing data with granular control over which fields get embedded for semantic search versus, which remain as simple key-value pairs. What makes this distinctive is the ability to optimize storage and retrieval by embedding only meaningful content while keeping metadata or system information accessible but not searchable. The pattern works by separating data into searchable and non-searchable components at write time. When storing information, you explicitly specify which fields should be vector embedded for semantic queries, while other data remains retrievable through direct key lookup. This creates a dual-layer storage system where meaningful content becomes discoverable through natural language queries, while operational data stays efficiently stored but doesn't clutter the search index. This approach solves the common problem of memory bloat in semantic systems where irrelevant data degrades search quality. It's particularly valuable in conversational AI, where you need to persist both user preferences, which should be searchable, and system metadata, which shouldn't. The trade-off is slightly more complex write operations, but the payoff comes in faster, more relevant searches, and cleaner memory management across long-running sessions. Let's break it down line by line.
Hash store with specific fields to embed. Store put.
This begins storing data in the vector store with selective embedding. The put method persists records while controlling which fields get vectorized for semantic search.
Namespace for memory.
Namespace identifier for logical data separation ensures this memory entry is stored in the correct isolated partition, preventing collisions with other namespaces in the same store.
Excluded, UID 4.
Generates a unique identifier using Python's UUID4 algorithm. This ensures each memory entry has a globally unique key, preventing collisions when storing multiple records in the same namespace.
Food preference. I love Italian cuisine.
Defines a key-value pair for the food preference field with the value, I love Italian cuisine. This structured data enables semantic search on the specified field, allowing the system to retrieve relevant memories based on food-related queries.
Context. Discussing dinner plans.
This code adds a freeform context field, e.g., discussing dinner plans, as metadata to the stored entry. Unlike indexed fields like food preference, this metadata isn't vector embedded and exists purely for human-readable context. It doesn't affect retrieval unless explicitly used in filtering logic.
Index equals food preference, hash only embed, food preferences field.
This specifies which fields to embed for semantic search. By indexing only food preference, we enable vector search on that field while excluding context from the embedding process, optimizing both performance and relevance.
Hash store without embedding still retrievable, but not searchable. Store put.
This demonstrates storing data without vector embedding. The index equals false parameter makes the data retrievable by ID, but excludes it from semantic search, useful for metadata or non-searchable records.
Namespace for memory.
Namespace identifier for logical data separation. Ensures this memory entry belongs to the correct isolated collection, preventing collisions with other namespaces in the same store.
Excluded UID4.
Generates a unique identifier using UUID version 4. This ensures each stored entry has a distinct key, preventing collisions in the memory store.
System info. Last updated 2020-40101.
This is a simple key-value pair being stored without embedding. The data remains retrievable by direct key lookup, but won't be included in semantic search operations, making it ideal for metadata or system information that doesn't need vector search capabilities.
Index equals false.
When index equals false is passed, the entry is stored without any semantic indexing. No embeddings are generated, and the data won't appear in vector search results. The item remains fully retrievable via direct key lookup while avoiding embedding computation overhead. This is equivalent to passing index equals embed. False, but with shorthand syntax. Selective embedding in LangGraph stores. The code demonstrates precise control over which memory fields get vector embedded for semantic search, while still allowing non-embedded data storage. Specifying index equals food preference embeds only that field, making it searchable by semantic similarity while omitting other fields from the vector index. Non-embedded data remains retrievable by direct key lookup, but won't appear in semantic search results. This selective approach optimizes both storage efficiency and search relevance in memory-intensive applications.
The field that refuses to be indexed becomes the only map.